Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want you to see what I've got here. This is a shower chair. We're gonna open this up and see if we can assemble it here. So just give me a second. I might have to put this on the floor while we do this. We're gonna show you guys together how it all works. Okay, I'm gonna take out the pieces and parts down here, and I'll show you what it is. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. So we have all these pieces and parts. Actually, it doesn't look like it's going to be too many. That's everything. So I'd say probably less than 10 pieces. So not too bad at all. And I'll show you all how it's going to work here. So it looks like it has 6 steps to assembly. Not too bad at all. So let's see. So we have the backrest for, oh, you guys can't even see it. Here's the item here. So this is going to be the backrest. Let's see, how do we have all these things? Oh, we're gonna have to start from the top. So the backrest goes to, let's see, okay, place the seat face down on a level surface. Insert the 4 legs into the frame. Okay, let's go that route instead. Okay, so we have 4 legs. So we'll stick them in, and you can see there's a little brass button here. I guess that's what they're talking about when they say the brass button right there. Okay. Another one. 2. I guess that one's going to be in there. And I'm doing this on my kitchen counter, which is very small. There we go. Oh, this one didn't snap so good. Okay, so it says do that, and then insert the L-shaped back tubes into the backrest. L-shaped back tubes into the backrest. Huh, I don't know what that even means. We have these 2, and then we have these 2. Oh, these are the L-shaped tubes right here. So these are going to go in here. Right 1 and 2. There we go. Now it's going to probably want us to turn it over. So now we have the seat. Can y'all see it still? Move you back. There we go. Okay, and then we can put this in here. There, those are clipped in. And then we have our armrests. Do they go in or out? They go in like this. Oh, you guys don't even have the best angle, but I'll show you in a second. There's one side. And there's the second side. And it is fully complete. I don't know if you can see. That is it. So that's what it looks like there. So this is fully complete. So it is at this current height, but what it has is you see these little buttons here on the bottom. And so I can go and I'll just put it on the side here. I'm just gonna move. I have an iPad sitting over here. I don't want to break it. So you can push the little buttons here and slide it up. So it could be a maximum of 6. That would be really tall. I'm gonna guess that would have to be somebody. Let's try it. I'm gonna do it for fun. We're gonna set it up at the maximum height. Oh, I lost where the little button is. Oh, there. A little too far. There. And then okay. And okay, so there we have it, all 6s. So now we are at full height. I'm going to set it up here in the corner and aim you guys over there so you can see what I'm doing. I think it kind of aims down there, sort of. So there you can kind of see. So this is it now at full height. So I can practically, so I'm, so if somebody's sitting there and they're kind of tall and they have a hard time standing up, they can put it up way up high like this and get up, and super easy to stand up from. Or if they wanted it to be low, you could set it up low as you need. Pretty comfortable. I could just sit here like this. This is a nice little chair. I just use this as a chair here. So this is really nice. And you see, it's comfortable. It's got holes in it for all the water to go through, made out of nice solid plastic, and definitely it's height adjustable there. So I have it set on the highest. So you can set it on the lowest if you're not as tall as me. I'm almost 5'10". So that would be a pretty decent size for me. And it's really stable and sturdy. I mean, it feels, even at the highest it is, it's got the rubber feet on it. So it's going to grip the ground and stay on there really well. So I'm going to say this is a really nice chair. So thumbs up from me.